Horrifying today. Naples is on edge as a huge underground volcano rumbles. Over the past 70 years, a long-dormant supervolcano beneath the Naples metropolitan area has reawakened. The city is on edge after the strongest earthquake in decades rocked its residents on Monday. Naples, an ancient metropolis in southern Italy dominated by the volcano Mount Vesuvius, is in the grip of fear amid a series of small earthquakes triggered by the mountain another volcano. This volcano is mostly invisible and mostly underground. This long-dormant volcano, known as Campi Flegrei, is located just west of Naples and, since the 1950s, has shown signs of revival and has the potential to cause major damage if it erupts again. On Monday, volcanic turmoil sparked fear in Naples after the 600,000 residents living on it were rocked by a 4.4 magnitude earthquake, the strongest since the early 1980s, the last period of intense earthquake activity. Campi Flegrei, in English, Phlegrean Fields, is Europe's largest active caldera, a depression left after a volcanic eruption. Italian scientists call it a supervolcano. During periods of high activity, the volcano's caldera also caused its surface to bulge in some places. In the 1980s, the land surface rose as much as 70 inches, leaving boats in a small harbor on the ground dry right now. Scientists are watching closely as the rate of the bulging increases Monday. Small or even unnoticeable, occurs due to volcanic activity. Monday's earthquake alarmed residents of Pozzuoli, a town west of Naples built on a caldera. The area on Wednesday was rocked by an earthquake measuring 3.6 on the Richter scale, prompting Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni to call an emergency meeting with her ministers. Scientists do not believe an eruption is imminent, but there is uncertainty about the impact the volcano might have. Regardless, officials warned the public to prepare for larger earthquakes. This week, the women's prison in Pozzuoli was evacuated due to increased seismic activity. Schools and factories were closed and dozens of families were evacuated from buildings deemed at risk of collapse. Many people also choose to sleep outdoors. Meanwhile, the Meloni government is evaluating evacuation plans in the event of a large earthquake and possible eruption. About 3 million people live in the Naples metropolitan area. The size of the Campi Flegrei magma chamber is enormous, although its size and composition remain unclear. The approximately 13.5-mile diameter volcano consists of 24 craters and has been active for at least 80,000 years. The last time it erupted was in the 16th century. The volcano's roof collapsed after powerful eruptions 39,000 and 15,000 years ago. Since then, the underground magma chamber has filled back up and scientists say the volcano will eventually erupt. The eruption 39,000 years ago caused a volcanic winter within a 60-mile radius of the volcano and suddenly cooled the planet.